and Mendoza and the main branch elements element of is storing the wave equation. Storing the wave equation is storing the wave equation based on de Broglie's principle and Heisenberg principle. The equation of Schrödinger wave equation is rho square psi by x square equal to minus 4 pi square psi by lambda square. So from this we have here psi equal to amplitude, lambda equal to x. So now we modify the we have the common number of x square equal to minus 1 by 4 pi square square. So we already know that lambda is equals to c. So now substitute lambda in this equation. So 1 by x square by m square c square equal to minus 1 by 4 pi square sin rho square psi by rho x square. So we already know a equal to of m c square. So from this to this side, so a equal to m c square. So multiply with m square formula, then 1 by x square. Sorry, the m square will go to this side. So 1 square c square by x square is equals to minus 1 by 4 pi square psi into rho square psi by rho x square. Now substitute m square value in this equation. Then m by x square equal to minus 1 by 4 pi square psi into rho square psi by rho x square. So now send this h to m to this side. A equal to minus x square by 8 pi square m psi rho square psi by rho x square. We know that we already know that energy formula is equals to k plus b. So now substitute k to this side and k to that side. Then k equal to e minus b. Now substitute this in this equation. Then we all know. So then we already know e minus b. So now send this to this side. Then rho square plus psi by rho x square equal to 8 pi square square psi by h square e minus b. So now send this solve the equation with respect to rho square psi by rho x square plus 8 pi square m by h square e minus b psi equal to 0. This equation is one-dimensional. Three-dimensional Schrödinger equation is rho square psi by rho x square plus rho square psi by rho y square plus rho square psi by rho z square plus 8 pi square m by h square minus 5 e minus b into side equal to 0. This is called about Schrödinger wave equation. Is the answer for time-dimensional wave equation? The formula for kinetic energy. Kinetic energy